Hello, in this video I'm going to show the home screen tricks on Motorola ThinkPhone 25. Okay, to launch the customization menu, we need to simply hold on an empty space on our home screen. In here we can quickly change the themes, as you can see from the list, and also we can select another font, for example this one. And now, under we have the widgets. They're really useful. For example, I really like to create a clock widget. For example, if you click on the clock, you can see some different styles that you can select. And of course they also are different when it comes to their size. So for example, I will select this one, simply hold on it and place it anywhere you want on your screen. For example, in here. Now select the clock style, for example solid or transparent. Let's select the solid, and it has appeared on our screen. You can also adjust its size a little bit. That's how you can create the widgets. When it comes to the list of the apps of which you can create a widget, in here you can see all apps. Okay, and next thing is possibility to change the wallpaper quickly. If you click on that, you can create your new wallpaper using the AI. You can select the dynamic wallpaper, the curated images, or simply select a wallpaper from your gallery right in here. Also pretty cool thing. Let's get back. Let's hold on the screen once more. You can click on Personalize. In here again you can select the themes and the font, but now also we can change the colors of our system. In here we have all possible colors. If you want, you can enable the themed icons. You can see that they will look just like that. You need to click on save if you want to apply it, and now you can see that their style and their color has been successfully changed. Also pretty cool thing. Let's get back into personalization, but for now I will turn off that themed icons, just for now. Okay, click on save if you want to save it. We can also change the icon shape. In here we have five possible shapes. To change it, simply click on save. Just like that, pretty easy thing. Down below you can change the display size and the text. You can adjust the font size and also the display size of the icons. You can also enable the bold text and also enable the high contrast text. Okay, next to it we have the layout. As you can see, we have a lot of possible modes. You can see how it's going to look like when you select, for example, 4:4. If you want to save it, click on save. Pretty easy thing. We can also change the fingerprint animation. We have the radial waves, boomerang, and the chroma dial. You just need to simply select the mode that you like the most. For example, I'll stick to that one. You can also quickly change between dark mode and the light mode right in here. If you want to save it, simply hit the button down below. And now, if you hold, you also have the home settings. You can enable or disable the notification dot on app icon, select the home screen style, app tray, or the open. Basically, when we have the app tray, when we slide to the app side, in here we have a list of all apps that are downloaded on our phone. But when we change this mode into open, click on switch, you won't simply have that mode. If you slide to the app side, you don't have that app drawer, because all of the apps are now on each screen. Simply select the mode that you like the most. I'll stick to the app tray in my case. Okay, you can select the app label, 1 row, 2 rows, or don't show at all. You can lock the home screen layout. When it's locked, basically you cannot change the position of any app. That is, you cannot change its placement simply. So let's say that you have created your perfect layout, your perfect preset. All icons are set in the place that you want. And when you lock your display, you won't accidentally, for example, make a mistake and delete your layout or simply the style that you have just selected. So it's up to you. And down below we have this swipe access. We have Google Feed. It means that when you slide to the left side you have those articles from the Google. If you select the none, you won't simply have it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.